Hi everyone! For today's episode of Foodie Pinoy, we're going to make Jollibee Style Burger Steak. This version is very simple, but I can say it tastes close to the real thing. Watch until the end of the video for the ingredient that leveled up this recipe. Let's start! For the burger patties, we will need 250 grams beef. This is around 20% fat and 80% lean meat. 1 medium-sized onion, minced as small as possible. Half a teaspoon salt and half a teaspoon pepper. For the gravy, we will need 1/4 cup flour, 1 cup of button mushroom, and 1 beef cube. First, let's make the beef patty. We will combine onion, pepper, salt, and beef. Mix until the ingredients are well blended. Then we're going to mold this. Place 3 spoonfuls of meat mixture in your hands, make a round shape, then flatten it with thickness of around ½ inch. Using your thumb, make a dent in the middle of the patty similar to this. This technique will prevent the patty from bulging while cooking. For 250 grams of beef, I was able to make 5 patties. You can put this first in the fridge for 10 minutes. It will help to retain the round shape while cooking. Once the patties are ready, put some oil in the pan enough for searing. Carefully place the patty in the pan and just leave it searing for 3 to 4 minutes. This will lock in the juices and flavor. Flip to cook the other side. This is looking so good. Set aside these patties after cooking. In the meantime, let's make the gravy. Using the same pan, add a bit of oil, then saute the mushroom and add the flour. Give it a mix to cook up the flour. Then add 2 cups of water and stir continuously to remove the lumps. Add the beef cube and continue to stir until it is fully dissolved. Bring to boil until the sauce thickens. I added a bit of soy sauce to achieve the brown gravy color. Finish the gravy with a dash of pepper. Here's our version of Jollibee Burger Steak. This is super easy to cook and a sure win to satisfy your burger steak cravings. By the way, the secret ingredient that makes this recipe close to the real thing is lots of onion. Try this at home and let me know your comments. Did you feel nostalgic while eating your homemade burger steak? Enjoy! Hi guys! Did you like this recipe? Let us know in the comment section below. Hit like if you enjoyed this video. This will help us know that you are enjoying our content. If you haven't subscribed yet, click subscribe button and make sure to click also the bell icon so you'll get notified once we release new videos. Until next time, this is Foodie Pinoy saying goodbye and it's a wrap!